AI has only just started its time in the limelight. So, why is OpenAI shutting things down already? Well, the reason might surprise you. I want you to picture this: an AI detection tool that was supposed to revolutionize how we detect AI-generated content. Sounds incredible, right? Well, unfortunately, OpenAI went ahead and pulled the plug on it. It's like a plot twist you just didn't see coming. In just 6 months, this tool went from hero to, well, zero. And we're here to uncover the jaw-dropping reasons as to why, letting you know what it was supposed to do and what this means for us. But before we head off, are you subscribed to this channel so you don't miss our AI weekly update that captures every headline that happens each week? I've asked why not before, but this is getting ludicrous. Come on, subscribe! Alright, I'm done. Let's dive right in and explore the crazy tale of how OpenAI's AI detection tool met its untimely demise. So here's what we know. In January, OpenAI introduced us to their AI detection tool called AI Classifier. The primary goal was to distinguish between human-written text and content generated by AI, like their very own ChatGPT. The idea was brilliant. Imagine if professors and teachers could easily spot AI-generated papers or essays to ensure academic integrity, or if people could easily spot AI-generated commercial content. Unfortunately, the reality didn't quite match up to the vision. OpenAI recently announced the unfortunate news: AI Classifier is no longer available. The reason? It simply wasn't accurate enough. The tool struggled to correctly identify AI-written text, often misclassifying human writing as AI-generated. It struggled with shorter texts, mislabeled human-written text as AI-generated, and had difficulties performing well outside its training data. These shortcomings led to its eventual demise. But hey, we've got to give credit where credit's due. OpenAI is not one to shy away from admitting their failures and retracing their steps. They're also not running away from challenges, and have committed to improving and developing better techniques for identifying AI content in the future. Now, let's talk about the potential impact AI Classifier could have had on our everyday lives. Think about it. How many times have you stumbled upon an article, social media post, or even a research paper that left you wondering, wait, was this written by a human or an AI? With AI-generated content on the rise, having a reliable tool to identify the source could have been a game-changer. Moreover, in an age where misinformation spreads like wildfire, the AI classifier could have played a crucial role in detecting fabricated or even manipulated content. This would have helped in maintaining the credibility of information we encounter online and promoted transparency. Let's use the golden example: education. Teachers and professors could have breathed a sigh of relief knowing they had a tool to detect if their students were using AI chatbots to write essays. It would have helped maintain the academic integrity we hold dear. Regarding the freelancing space, those streets are crawling with AI-written content, and you know how much of a nightmare that could be. But alas, due to the tool's limitations, we'll have to wait a bit longer for this level of accuracy. And I promise you, we didn't use a bot. Alright, we got awesome writers. As with any rapidly evolving field, AI detection tools are becoming a hot topic. OpenAI's decision to shut down AI Classifier has raised questions about other competitors in the market. Are there other tools out there that are stepping up to the plate? The answer is a resounding yes. Recently, researchers at the University of Kansas developed a method to identify AI-generated academic writing with an astounding 99% accuracy. This is a huge step forward. However, we must remain aware that the journey to perfection in AI detection is still underway, and there might be other challenges on the horizon. It calls into question the reliability of current classifiers for high-stakes decisions like academic plagiarism detection. The potential perils of relying on inaccurate AI detection systems are numerous, from unfairly accusing human writers of plagiarism to spreading misinformation and reinforcing biases. So what are the implications of OpenAI's decision to shut down the AI classifier? While it's surprising that OpenAI shut down the AI classifier, there might be a silver lining to this story. On one hand, it's a bit crazy to see such a promising tool being discontinued. But on the other hand, it shows OpenAI's commitment to quality and progress. They're not afraid to take risks and experiment, even if it means acknowledging shortcomings. Good on you, OpenAI. The AI landscape is a constantly shifting terrain, and OpenAI's willingness to adapt is a testament to their dedication to delivering reliable and trustworthy AI products. It's important to remember that failure is often a stepping stone to success. Don't forget that. Our thoughts on the matter are quite clear. The AI tool had great potential in helping us detect AI-generated content, which is becoming more prevalent. However, we can't thrive on potential alone. Its low accuracy and limitations showed that it wasn't fully ready for public use, and that's fair enough. We agree with OpenAI's decision to shut it down, as releasing an unreliable tool could lead to unintended consequences. It's crucial to prioritize quality and ensure that AI detection systems are robust and accurate before introducing them to the public. We look forward to the day when more effective tools emerge, enhancing our ability to distinguish between human and AI-created content. But while one product is closing down, Elon Musk is opening an entirely new company. And we have covered all the exciting details for you in this video. You don't want to miss it.